Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a secret sauce that you can use literally for everything, for noodle, for salad, for dipping sauce, anything you can imagine. These are all the ingredients we need. The essential ones that you have to have are chili powder, salt, and garlic. If you have, you can also use Chinese black vinegar, sugar, white pepper, sesame seeds, pepper oil, sesame oil, and soy sauce. Peel and dice the garlic. Place garlic, sesame seed, and the red chili powder into the bowl, and then we'll add hot oil on it, so all the flavors will come out and then mix well together. Add oil into the pan. I use olive oil here. Heat it into medium heat, and then use place it 3 times to pour the ingredients I just showed before. So, first time. Pour all over. Slowly. Okay. A bit salt, sugar, some pepper oil, just a little bit, not too much, soy sauce, if you like sourness, you can put some vinegar as well. You don't have to. Mix well. Smells nice. You can use the sauce for noodle. So you boil the noodle, add some spring onion, some pickle, some green veggies, and then just pour on the top. You can add as much as you want or as less as you want, depends on your taste. And then you mix it well. Chop the cucumber. You can also put it as the salad dressing.